Yo bros, here I am again with part 2 of my upgrade 15 for my mini e-revo. Today I got this in the mail, which is some shrink tubing and 10 pairs of bullet connectors. If you watched my part 1 of my level 15 upgrade from a mini e-revo, you will know that I forgot to make the wires shorter, and I only had 3 of these bullet connectors, so I had to order new ones, and now I will cut these wires and solder the new bullet connectors to it. I also didn't have any shrink tube, so I have it now, so everything will be perfect. So let's solder it on. There it is. It's done. As you can see, the wires are way shorter. They are very short actually, especially this one, and there is some shrink tube around the female connectors. Also, I put some shrink tube around the Traxxas connectors because there was some wire exposed. I don't think that's a very good thing. So this is basically it. Now let's just put it back on the truck. There it is. It is now mounted on the truck, and as you can see, it looks way better now. It looks a lot cleaner. The wires are very short. This corner is actually very tight, so it's not. There is some tension on this one, but I can't do anything about that, and that's basically it. You also note that these two things still have a colored shrink tube around them. These are the original shrink tubes, and this one got replaced some time ago, and I think the black looks better. It fits better with the overall theme of the truck. And I don't know yet if I'm going to make this ESC look black. I can do it with a marker, a permanent marker. It comes off after some time, but I can just do it again then. I don't think I'm going to do it with red dye. It's too much work and it can ruin the speed control. But I don't know if a black color would have a negative effect on the heating of the speed control. If you know if it doesn't or if it does, please let me know in the comments. So this was basically it, guys, and hopefully I'll see you soon. If you like it, please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon, guys.